Top 5 Portable Clothes Steamers of 2025. Quick, powerful, and travel-ready. These top handheld steamers heat up fast, remove wrinkles from all fabrics, and fit perfectly into your home or luggage. Compact, lightweight, and efficient, your clothes have never looked fresher. Number 1. Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. Powerful, fast heating, and portable garment steamer for clothes, curtains and upholstery. Turbo boosted steam power delivers up to 40% hotter steam for professional-grade wrinkle removal in seconds. Advanced heat technology heats up in just 40 seconds, ready for quick touch-ups or full garment care. 5 steam settings, adjustable for all fabric types from delicate silk to heavy cotton and linen. Large removable water tank, 7.3-ounce tank provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming. 3-in-1 attachment, includes a silicone band for pulling fabric taut, a delicate fabric spacer, and a bristle brush for steam penetration. Compact and portable design. Ergonomic handheld design ideal for home or travel use, safe on all fabrics, gently refreshes clothing, upholstery, curtains, and more without scorching or burning. Say goodbye to wrinkles with the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer, your ultimate on-the-go garment care solution. Engineered with advanced turbo heat technology, it produces powerful steam that penetrates deeply to smooth out even the toughest wrinkles quickly and safely. With a fast 40-second heat-up time and adjustable settings for every fabric type, this handheld steamer is perfect for busy mornings or last-minute outfit prep. Its portable and lightweight design makes it easy to use at home or pack for travel. Refresh clothes, sanitize fabrics, and restore a crisp look effortlessly with Conair's trusted performance and innovation. Number 2. Electrolux Handheld Garment Steamer. Powerful, fast heating, leak-free fabric steamer for clothes, curtains and upholstery. Rapid heat up, ready to steam in just 30 seconds for quick wrinkle removal. Powerful steam output, 1500 W motor delivers strong, continuous steam to smooth tough fabrics. Large removable water tank, 300 milliliters capacity, provides up to 18 minutes of uninterrupted steaming. Leak-free technology, pump steam design prevents spills and leaks, even when tilted. Dual steam settings, adjustable steam intensity for delicate fabrics like silk or heavier fabrics like cotton and linen. Safe and convenient. Automatic shutoff ensures safety when not in use. Versatile attachments, includes lint brush, fabric brush, and nozzle for precise steaming. Ergonomic and portable, lightweight design with 12-foot cord for easy maneuverability. Refresh and revive your clothes, curtains, and upholstery effortlessly with the Electrolux Handheld Garment Steamer. Designed for speed and convenience, it heats up in just 30 seconds and delivers powerful steam that penetrates deeply to remove wrinkles and odors. Its leak-free pump system ensures safe, worry-free steaming on all fabrics. The steamer's dual steam settings and versatile attachments make it ideal for everything from delicate silk blouses to heavy linen shirts. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home use or travel. Say goodbye to ironing and hello to smooth, crisp, and refreshed garments with Electrolux. Number 3. Dachi Handheld Garment Steamer. Fast heating, lightweight, and portable wrinkle remover for clothes, curtains and travel. Quick heat up, ready to use in just 35 seconds for instant wrinkle removal. Continuous steam, provides up to 5 minutes of powerful, continuous steam for efficient fabric care. Lightweight and portable, weighs only 1.1 pounds, ideal for home use or travel. Ergonomic design, comfortable handle for easy maneuvering and extended use. Precision nozzle, angled nozzle ensures accurate steam application on all fabrics. Travel-friendly, compact size, fits in luggage and comes with a convenient travel bag. Safe for all fabrics, gentle on delicate fabrics while effective on heavier materials. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free anytime, anywhere with the Dachi Handheld Garment Steamer. Heating up in just 35 seconds, this compact and lightweight steamer delivers up to 5 minutes of continuous steam, tackling wrinkles on everything from delicate silk to cotton and linen. Its ergonomic handle and angled nozzle make it easy to use on any garment, curtain, or upholstery, while the included travel bag ensures it's perfect for trips. Experience professional-level fabric care in the comfort of your home or on the go with Dachi's trusted handheld steamer. Number 4. Beautural Foldable Travel Handheld Steamer. 1000 W portable garment and fabric wrinkle remover. 30-second heat up, leak-proof design, dual voltage, compact and lightweight. Powerful 1000 W performance, heats up in just 30 seconds, delivering strong steam to remove wrinkles quickly and efficiently. Foldable and portable design, compact and lightweight, folds for easy storage and travel convenience. Leak-proof technology, advanced electronic pump prevents leaks, allowing for steaming at any angle. Even upside down, dual voltage compatibility, supports both 120V and 220V outlets, making it ideal for international travel. A versatile fabric care, safe for use on various fabrics including silk, wool, cotton, and linen. Convenient accessories, includes a storage bag for easy packing and organization. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free anytime, anywhere with the Beautural Foldable Travel Handheld Steamer. Its powerful 1000W performance heats up in just 30 seconds, delivering strong steam to remove wrinkles quickly and efficiently. The foldable and portable design makes it compact and lightweight, folding for easy storage and travel convenience. Advanced electronic pump technology prevents leaks, allowing for steaming at any angle, even upside down. Dual voltage compatibility supports both 120V and 220V outlets, making it ideal for international travel. Safe for use on various fabrics including silk, wool, cotton, and linen, it ensures versatile fabric care. The steamer also includes a storage bag for easy packing and organization, making it a perfect companion for home and travel. Number 5. Portable travel steamer for clothes, fast wrinkle remover garment steamer for home and travel, 2-in-1 iron and steam with 90-degree rotatable head, handheld iron steamer with 100 ml water tank, super speed ironing, 1200W powerful heating system, 45 seconds to heat up to 150 degrees Celsius, ready to use, dry ironing, wet ironing. Dual modes can be switched freely, deep wrinkle removal and protection of clothing fibers. Say goodbye to waiting anxiety. Say goodbye to wrinkle troubles and return clothes to their original state. Suitable for multiple fabrics, our garment steamer suitable for a variety of fabrics such as cotton, linen, wool, silk, etc. High temperature steam has strong penetration, wrinkle smoothing and sterilization. 2-in-1, delicate clothes can also enjoy professional level care at home. Rotatable clothes steamer. Our travel steamer equipped with a 100 ml visible water tank features one-handed operation of the steam machine. Is stress-free. The iron steamer panel can be rotated 90 degrees, easily dealing with dead corners such as collars and cuffs, and can be carried with you on business trip.